Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this ITZY Wannabe Remix HIIT Workout. This video is actually sponsored by Dossier, a perfume company that I've been gushing about for a while now. They make perfumes that will make you feel great and smell great whatever you're doing, even after one of my HIIT workouts. So Dossier is a brand that offers affordable alternatives to high-end perfumes, think your YSL, Chanel, Lancome, etc. for as low as $29 per bottle. They are completely vegan, cruelty-free, and all made in France. Every one of the orders also comes with this little trial bottle, so you can try it out for 30 days before committing to the big bottle. This is one of my favorite scents, Floral Lavender. Seriously guys, it is so affordable, it smells amazing, and it lasts all day. So if you guys want to try out Dossier for yourselves, there is such a wide selection of scents to choose from. You can find them linked in the description down below, as well as my 10% off discount code. Alright, let's get started! Alright, awesome job you guys, workout complete. As I mentioned before, be sure to check out Dossier perfumes linked in the description down below with my 10% off discount codes. I promise you will not be disappointed. You will feel good, smell good, even after one of my workouts. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next time.